Are you still tracking customer subscriptions and payments with scattered spreadsheets, sticky notes, and endless reminders? Missed renewals, late payments, and manual chasing are a headache for any business or club. Meet Excel Subscriptions, the all-in-one Excel app that brings order to your recurring revenue and membership management. No more missed deadlines or manual math. Track every client, every subscription, and every payment, all in one place, with automated reminders and real-time balances. Define all your products and plans, one-off or recurring. See every customer at a glance, with smart alerts for unpaid balances. Record every charge, renewal, and payment. Double-click to renew or log a payment. It's that simple. Generate professional, printable statements for any client in seconds. All powered by Excel. No subscriptions, no cloud risk, and no steep learning curve. Install it once, own it forever. Already trusted by businesses, clubs, and professionals across the world. Ready to take control of your subscriptions? Try Excel Subscriptions today at xlapps.store.